Ready to unlock a goldmine of out-of-state buyers and catapult your real estate business to the next level. Hey everyone, I'm your name, and in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to give you the essential strategies to attract those valuable out-of-state buyers who are eager to call your community home, starting with Step 1: Immersive Virtual Tour. Step 1: Ditch the grainy photos and embrace high-quality, interactive 3D virtual tour. Potential buyers want to virtually walk through the property and feel like they're already there, so make it a priority. Step 2 is supercharge your online marketing by focusing your ads on areas with high outbound migration. Target those zip codes and highlight the affordability and lifestyle benefits your area offers. And remember, SEO is your friend, so optimize your website and listings with relocation keywords. Step 3: Build trust from afar, which means prompt, transparent communication is absolutely critical. Offer virtual consultations, be responsive to inquiries, and showcase testimonials from other out-of-state clients to build instant credibility. Step 4: Become the ultimate relocation resource. Provide comprehensive information about schools, neighborhoods, cost of living, and local amenities, and create downloadable relocation guides or resource packets for easy access. Finally, Step 5: Showcase your community's unique charm. Highlight local events, cultural attractions, and outdoor activities that make your area a desirable place to live, helping buyers envision their life there. So there you have it, 5 actionable steps to capture out-of-state home buyers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more real estate marketing tips, and good luck landing those dream clients.